trabaho kong as impersonator and Liza Minnelli. Ito si Andy, kapartner ko sa show, bago kong boyfriend, Leslie. Ito ang natutunan ko. Apat ang kapatid ko, isa may asawa na, yung tatlo pinag-aaral ko pa. Kasama ko sa bahay ang grandmother ko. Yung father ko nasa Saudi Arabia, pero hindi ko, wala kami balita sa kanya hanggang sa ngayon. Sa trabaho ko na to ay pakiramdam ko gusto ko na rin. Masaya. Kumikita, madaling kumita, pero at least aalagaan ko mga kapatid.
Pwede naman sa akin yung trabaho ng kapatid ko kasi ang importante, pinapakain niya kami. Tsaka siya ang tumutulong sa amin sa pagpapaaral.
Oliver is my grandson. And he's a very good boy, very dutiful to his parents. And when his mother died, he took the way how we would live, all of us, her 5 sisters and brother and her grandmother. He can do any kind of job. He can be a waiter, he can be a dancer, he could be an impersonator, any kind he would do. Just like to earn and to support his family.